Alright, just saying, 2013 Ford Econoline handicap wheelchair conversion van. This is a high roof with door cutouts, so it has maximum clearance at the door entry. It has a Braun UVL 750-pound wheelchair lift. It is a push button system. Beautiful, beautiful van, and 25,000 original miles. You will not find another one like this anywhere. Gorgeous all the way around, interior, exterior. I'll point out any flaws I can find, but it's a very, very nice van. Power doors, does have easy lock in the rear. It does have hardcore rubber floor in the rear, and 25,000 original miles. Clean Carfax, clean title, no issues, no stories. Clean frame. Tires and wheels are nice. Little bit of the clear coat on the wheels is peeling, just from age. It's kind of normal on these Fords, but overall, that's the frame. We haven't sprayed it. It's like really, really nice and clean. This van's laser straight down the sides. Paint on the roof is perfect. The interior is immaculate on this thing. It does have a rear power folding bed. Again, hardcore rubber floor. It does have tie down pods. This one comes with the seat belt and 2 Q strains. Easy lock here. We can move this easy lock if you need. We can remove it or take it out. We are authorized dealer and service center for easy lock, so we can remove or move it in a place where you need it, or you can use it. Okay, 25,400 miles. This thing is like brand new. Everything is working.
Ever see any signs or symptoms?
TV works. It's got a DVD player right here. Look at the seats. Oh my god, this thing's like new. Hardcore rubber floor in the center. It does have carpeting here. Very, very nice. There's not much to point out on the interior. Got the teardrop light in the ceiling. Everything is working, as you can see. Power folding bed. The headrests are in the back. I'll show you. This thing is all there. Look at the interior. It's like brand new. You do have to pop the headrest back because it does have the extended bed, which is very nice, and it lays all the way flat. Sometimes in these high top handicap vans, the bed won't lay all the way flat. It does have backup camera. It is located in the rear view mirror. Here are the headrests for the rear, and here is the bed extender, which you can fold up out of the way if you would like. Got your bed switch and your wheelchair lift box. Let's have tow package. I mean, the van is beautiful. Tires, excellent. They are Michelin Agilis. Those are more like a commercial truck tire, but they do ride very good on a van like this. We have put them on. They were on when we got it, but they are very good tires. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. Happy to help at any time. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Happy to help. I'm using the wireless remote to control everything. It does have electric doors. Everything is working and functioning. Again, we are a Braun Ability service center and dealer, so we are authorized to work on these. We do service and check every single van that comes in. We try to make sure that everything is good to go when we send them out the door. So this thing is very nice. As you can see, everything working. I would say the only flaw on the exterior of this van is that these original conversion stripes have a little bit of cracking and fading to them. Not all of them, just a few of them. But other than that, there's not much to point out. There's no scratches, dents, nothing like that. So this thing's very nice. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. 25,000 miles, clean title, clean Carfax, no stories. It is a 150, power doors, expanded side door entry. We're in Boca Raton, Florida. Give us a like, give us a follow. It's one of the best vans you'll find anywhere. Thank you.